For today, we're going to discuss about the dipole antenna design. We have the frequency 3, which is equals to 10 megahertz to 300 megahertz, and two directors. So first, we're going to find the center frequency, or the FC. FC is equals to square root of the minimum of the given frequency times the maximum given frequency, which is 10 times 300. And we're going to have that 3000 megahertz, and the square root of that is 54.77225575 megahertz. And for the number 2, which is the wavelength, or the lambda is equals to C over FC, which is 3 times 10 raised to the power of 8 meters per second over 54.77225575 times 10 raised to the power of 6 to convert it to hertz only, and which is we're going to have the result of 5.477225575 meters. And for the third part, the length of the driven element, or the LDE is equals to lambda over 2. Our lambda is 5.477225575 meters over 2. And we're going to have the result of 2.73861278 meters. And for the part 4, the length of directors, we have the two directors, which is the LD1 and LD2. So LD1 equals to LD2 equals to LDE times 0.95. So the LDE is the driven element, which is 2.73861278 meters. So we're going to multiply that, and we're going to have 2.601682148 meters. Also, it is also the same for director 1 and director 2. And for the fifth part, which is the length of reflector, or the LR is equals to LDE times to 1.05. The LR is equals to 1.05 times 2.73861278 meters. We're going to have the result of 2.8755434270 meters.
So the part 6 of antenna dipole elements, the 6 is spacing from the reflector to the driven element equals 0.15 lambda. Spacing from the reflector to driven element equals 0.15 times 5.477225575 meters is equals to 0.82158363 meters. And the number 7 is spacing from driven elements to director. Spacing from driven elements to director equals 0.10 lambda, or equals 0.10 times 5.477225575 meters is equals to 0.5477225575 meters. And the number 8 is spacing between directors. Spacing director 1 to director 2 equals S D1 minus D2 over 2. Spacing director 1 to director 3 equals 0.5477225575 meters over 2, or divide is equals to 0.273861278 meters. And lastly is the length of boom. Length of boom equals SR to DE plus SDE to D1 plus SD1 to D2 plus 0.0508 meters. Length of boom equals 0.82158363 meters plus 0.5477225575 meters plus 0.2738612788 meters plus 0.0508 meters is equals to length of boom of 1.693967,673 meters. That's all for our design, antenna, and computation. Thank you.